Hi sir, my name is Madagari Tirupati, roll number 1795180398, branch mechanical department, B section, subject refrigeration and air conditioning, and my topic is effect of subcooling of liquid in VCRS. I am going to explain this particular topic in further slides. First of all, let us discuss what is meant by a subcooling of a liquid. Means the term subcooling refers what it says. The term subcooling is refers to a liquid existing at a temperature below its boiling point is known as a subcooling. Means the liquid present below the normal boiling temperature. The temperature below the normal boiling temperature is known as subcooling. Consider a liquid in one vessel. If the uh, vessel contains a liquid temperature below the normal boiling point, then the liquid is present and at the subcooling condition. This particular liquid is convenient to compress and used to um, this liquid is convenient to use in refrigeration cycle. A subcooling liquid is convenient state in which, say, refrigeration may undergo the remaining stages of refrigeration cycle. Means the liquid which is present at subcooling conditioning, it is used to refrigeration cycle. Let us discuss the refrigeration cycle. First of all, the liquid means the refrigerant. Sorry, the refrigerant enters into the compressor and it is compressed. Then after it will passes through to the condenser and it will passes through the expander. Then after it will passes to the evaporator. Let this apparatus. Let us give the numbering to this apparatus. This is the uh, first operation. This is second, and this is third. This is fourth. First, the liquid enters into the compressor and it is compressed. The temperature of the liquid and pressure of the liquid will increase. Then after it will uh, then after it will passes then after it will goes to the condenser. Here the liquid temperature and the liquid will completely at a high temperature and high pressure, it will brought to a normal position, and then after it will passes to the expander. Here uh, the liquid will passes through a small jet, and after passing these particular jet it will expand here, and it will expand here, and it will evaporate here. The heat of means the temperature of the liquid is uh, converted into the vapor here, and then after the cycle repeats again, now passing the refrigerant to the compressor. This is all about the subcooling, and this is the refrigeration cycle. And now see what is the full form of VCRS. Means we are discussing the effect of subcooling in VCRS system. Let us see what is mean by VCRS. The full form of VCRS is vapor compression refrigeration cycle. Vapor compression refrigeration cycle. In this, the refrigerant undergoes the changes in phases. Means the refrigerant, the liquid, the source what we are using, it will undergo changes in phases, not in a single phase or else at a time. It will undergo step by step process, and it is one of the most widely used for process for air conditioning of buildings and automobiles. Means it is used to cool the parts in buildings and automobiles, and like motor fill. The Let us discuss the following characteristics on effect of subcooling. The effect of subcooling is discussed in VCRS is discussed in this particular way. First of all, the introduction is given. What is meant by how subcooling is affected in VCRS introduction and VCRS on pie chart, PV chart, sorry, factors affecting the VCRS. These particular effect of suction pressure, effect of delivery pressure, effect of superheating, effect of subcooling is discussed further. Effect of subcooling. Subcooling is a process of cooling the liquid refrigerant below the condensing temperature of a given. Means here the liquid is the temperature of a refrigerant is decreased here in this process of subcooling as is evident from the effect of the subcooling. Thus, the result in increase of COP provided no further energy has to spend to obtain cool. Means in the subcooling, the temperature of a refrigerant is reduced and no further energy is required to reduce the temperature. Introduction about the effect of subcooling in VCRS. During evaporation, it observe heat from the cool body. This heat is used as a latent heat for converting it from liquid to vapor. In considering it reject the heat to the external body, it create a cooling effect in the working form. Means the heat is observed from the mm, refrigerant and it is used as a latent heat for converting liquid to vapor and reject heat to the external body. It is most practical form of refrigeration in simple VCRS function. Fundamental processes are completed in first cycle. In first cycle itself, the main mm, main main principle is completed, that are compression, condensation, and expansion. In compression, the liquid is refrigerant is compressed, sorry, and the refrigerant is allowed to condense. Means the temperature will be decreased, and then after it will allows to expand. PCRS on pie chart. The dry saturated vapor is drawn by the compressor from the evaporator at lower pressure P1 and compressed isentropically. Means the temperature is kept constant to the upper pressure. The isentropically compression is drawn from 2 to 3 since the vapor is dry saturated at the start of the compression. It becomes superheated at the end of the compression as given point. The process of condensation which takes place at a constant pressure which makes the place constant pressure is given by line 3 4. The vapor now reduced to saturated liquid in throttle through the expansion valve and the process is shown in 4-1 line. See, sorry, this is pressure line and this is enthalpy line, means temperature T, and this is H. This is 1 to 1 2, this is 2 3, this is 3 4, and this is 4 1. The process will take place in this manner: 1 2 3 4. At point 1 mixture of vapor and liquid attains the evaporator where it gets dry saturated. The cycle is completed. At the point 1 uh, mixture of vapor and liquid enters the evaporator where it gets dry. The refrigerant gets dry saturated, the cycle is completed. When the refrigerant gets dry saturated, the cycle is completed and it allows to evaporate. The COP is equal to Rn by W, H2 minus H1 by H3 minus H2. This will give the COP. Factors affecting on VCRS. Effect of suction pressure. Uh, how the suction pressure is affecting on VCRS. The effect of decreasing suction pressure. The COP of cycle which when suction pressure is decreased. COP is equal to H2 minus H1 by H3 minus H2. This shows the refrigerating effect is decreased and work required is increased. Effect of delivery pressure. COP often cycle when the delivery pressure is increased. COP is equal to H2 minus H1 minus of H2 H1 dash minus H1 of by H3 minus H2 plus H3 dash minus H3. The effect of increasing the delivery pressure is just similar to effect of decreasing the suction pressure. The delivery effect of the effect of increasing the delivery pressure is just similar to decreasing the suction pressure. Effect of superheating. The effect of superheating is to increase the refrigerant effect, but this increase in refrigerant effect but this increase in amount of work spent to attain the upper pressure limit. While superheating, it is more typical to work attain the upper pressure limit. Thank you.